Its rupee rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and living space, etc. Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen details will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.